my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
What's going on, y'all? Back again. I was riding through, I seen this one. Oldsmobile 9.8, man. Yeah. Oldsmobile 9.8. From what it looks like it's pretty complete. I heard the owner want to get rid of it, so I don't know. Regency Brougham, the body straight. Maybe we gotta come a different way, man. If we don't get that LS, Brougham, maybe we get this 9.8 Brougham. I don't know if that wheel skirt is missing or not. But I mean, for most part, the interior is straight. Top is intact. Dash got a little bit of cracking on it. Maybe missing a couple trim pieces. One right there. I don't know that much about these, so it may or may not be, man, but it ain't no box Chevy, but shit. If the price is right, yeah, most definitely. That back bumper filler gotta be replaced. I'm gonna need a new tire. Yeah, I was missing that front trim piece there. It's complete on this side. Last was registered March of 04, 03 for the inspection. Yeah, it's complete though. Maybe we do 2 Chevys, 2 Oldsmobiles. I say this because it's complete for the most part and all the pieces are there. I'm saying I just need to be cleaned up some, look like. Headliner there. Yeah. They can use the cleanup. So other than that, it's all there. A little rough in some spots, but I done seen a whole lot worse. I done seen a whole lot worse. I guess really the only thing that'll probably be of concern would be that wheel cover there. Probably could find another one. Like I said, the body is straight. Got the opera lights on there. You know, that's really all I wanted anyway, was some opera lights. So we'll put the opera lights on the 9.8. Come through. Come down. Opera light right there. So I don't know, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. LS and a 9.8. I'll let your boy go.